Hello everyone. Today is Friday, April 10th, and I'm going to be going over the futures daily market recap. So this is the Nasdaq chart because it's what I trade on, and I'm on the 1 day. I'm on the 1 day time frame. This is what I start off with, and I use it to see. I start from the higher time frames, go zoom into the lower ones, and I kind of figure out and try to find like some sort of an idea of what I'm going to do for the day. So on the daily time frame, what do I see? Not much. No, it doesn't tell me much. It tells me that we're very bullish. Other than that, it doesn't. All I see is the start of this daily fair value gap, which is down here. But this is a far target, so price is not going to go all the way down there. And then we have this again, another far target, and it's all another far target, and it's just a random high that was made a while ago. Actually, exactly 1 month ago, it doesn't, and it's far away from where current price is at. So 4 hour time frame. All right, go here. 4 hour. I see. Is that okay? I see the start of this gap here, and then there's this. No, hold on. Okay, there's this low here, and then there's this high here. Yeah, this is on the 4 hour, 1 hour time frame. We got. Hold on. Where's the 9? Okay, it's here. All right. Yeah. So, okay, and then 1 hour time frame. There's this right here. I'm looking like somewhat around where current price is at. Sweep that out. We take it out there. There's this high up here, and that is going to be it on the 15-minute now. There's let's see here what we got this low. These are stacked lows right here. Okay, 930. Yeah, these are relevant because they got swept out by this CPI candlestick, and then there's this 15-minute gap right here that I had marked out. Obviously, we have data high, and these, right? Yeah, what am I saying? This is way too far away. Let's forget about these two here. And then these are the only like clean draws right here. I'm gonna delete these. Yeah, this. I like this. So of this current leg, so I'm pretty much just taking everything from 4:15 a.m. This entire leg is like basically my levels that I'm gonna be playing off of for today. So all right. So and then the 5-minute time frame here. We have another 5-minute gap here, but no. What am I saying? It already got tapped into. The 15-minute. These are my targets. So 1 minute time frame. Today was actually nice, and I'm gonna show you guys why. So 9:30 is right here. Right. So this is 9:30. What does price immediately do? It goes higher. Honestly, I was expecting it to like not stop going higher until it swept out CPI, and then we could see this reversal, but I guess it just stopped here. Okay, it can do what it wants to do. And then a very good trade is this one right here. After we inverse this 1 minute fair FVG, fair value gap. Right, one to one, because that's what I do, and then break even is at the start of the 15-minute fair value gap, and it just goes ahead and hits break even. Wait, let me just like check something real quick. Yeah, oh, is it? No, it's not. Highest time frame is, okay, so there's a 2-minute. Let me see. And nice, and I'm going way further away from where price is at. Okay. So, yeah, so, okay, so 2-minute is highest time frame here. And yes, you could, there's another one down here, but still, you can only wait for the, I just waited for this one here. Okay. So this is a nice trade moving forward. Well, we bounced off of this. Well, okay, the thing is like, okay, yeah, we bounced off of this now, and now we have some clean targets up here, so I guess we'll try to, you know, look for maybe a long or something. And, okay, so we go down, we go back up, then we go down, so we sweep out this low here and tap into the 15-minute, and then we have a nice inverse here. Look, I'm going to be honest. This is a good trade in theory. This is actually a pretty nice trade. I didn't take this, though, and I kind of knew it because it's not really clean. Like, it's not really, like, jumping out to my face because, number one, I kind of sense that some choppy price action is incoming, right? Because we're going up, down, up, down, up, down. Number two, like, the draws is not really, because, like, the only clean draw here would have been this, but this is just way too high up, and I just know that price is not just, it's just not gonna like do this. Like, if it had already tried to make a move up here, then sold off back down here, it's not gonna re-go all the way back up there. And then even as a, and so then my target, you know, if I took a 1-to-1, then, you know, I don't even have a clean break even or anything. Like, you could put your stop loss here, then take a 1-to-1, but still, I mean, break even just doesn't make sense here for a break even. Doesn't make sense. The break even is too premium. Like, the break even can't be like more than half of past the trade. It's not a break even anymore. Like, that can be a TP on its own at this point. Which is why, like, I'm gonna say that about this one. I don't know, bro. It wasn't jumping out to me because I've like seen this stuff before. I've seen this setup in specifically before. Yeah, it's not it. Although it looks good, okay. And then yeah, and then okay. Obviously, the 1 minute it was that, yeah, whatever. It was okay. Whatever. I'm not even gonna whatever. Moving forward, we got, let's see. Yo, guys, bro. Alright. Alright. Moving forward from here, we just get this sideways chop into market open. We go higher, lower, higher. No clean inverse, no clean trade, whatever. Like, when we're kind of in the middle of here, this is kind of like accumulation. Instead of jumping to a trade, I need to wait for like a move or something that like jumps out to me, like until, okay, so for example, this could be it, where we go down here, you know, like that. You know, we have like pretty big candlesticks. We resweep out this 15-minute now intermediate low because it was the low created after tapping into the fair value gap. But then again, we don't get instantaneous inverse to the upside. We just, again, so you're telling me we go sideways, we go lower, then we go sideways, slightly lower for no reason, and we don't take out anything. Like, this lower move is just like random, or no, it's not random. I'm saying, like, this lower move is lower, but it doesn't like go and achieve one of like my targets. Like, it doesn't hit my target. It doesn't take out this low. It just stops in the middle. Oh, this trade is good. This trade is really good though. Okay, hold on. This trade's actually clean. This trade's actually clean here. Although, yes, technically we didn't, you know, take this out. You can still count this as like a sweep of lows. okay? And then we have volume that kicks in, okay? We have, now I'm looking to see any 5-minute or 15-minute gaps, or, yeah, gaps. Oh, okay. There's this one right here. There's like, so we create our first 5-minute fair value gap. I'm like, okay, this is possible. You know, okay, and then we instantly inverse it. This is a nice trade here, okay? We inverse the 5-minute gap. This is a very clean, nice and clean inverse, and we have, you can definitely catch a nice, good RR here. You're trading with the trend. Only problem is you are kind of stuck in like a high time frame, like 15-minute, 1 hour, just chop. But still, I'm not trading on the 1 hour, I'm trading on the 5-minute. So this, you know, shorter term, but very quick trade. Basically no drawdown. And this one right here, this one's actually clean. Because, I mean, just, you can see, you can literally just see why. You can see why it's clean. Very, like the volume just kicks in right here. We instantly inverse the 5-minute. You enter at the 5-minute inverse. Your stop loss goes at the body of the 5-minute candlestick. You just target a simple 1-to-1. Only thing about this trade is there's like pretty much no break even here. Break even would literally just need to be like, just like half of the trade, I guess. Just like here goes break even or something. But again, I'm not expecting this trade to break even because like, well, when we like create a 5-minute, sweep out a low. Okay, when we create a 5-minute gap here, sweep out a low, and then inverse it in like 2 candlesticks, right? Okay, I'm kind of expecting price like deliver here. And we also have this, which is a low resistance. So my TP is like conservative. Like it's not even going all the way till up here or even here. It's just a 1-to-1 because I do 1-to-1s. I get in, get out, right? So, but if you see all of these got hit, so this would be a very, very solid trade. From there, this was a news candlestick. A lot of news, guys. A lot of news. And then what, like, can you even trade this 15-minute time frame? There's literally nothing. Like, there's nothing. 5-minute. Nothing else. So that's about it. Yeah, that's it, guys. Yeah, exactly at 10:30. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something. And yeah, honestly, like okay, tell me if you guys want me to like change anything up, like add anything else. Okay, I don't even know what I was saying before, but what I wanted to say was that this is what I have for you guys. This is the recap. Like it's choppy. I mean, like I'm this is all I got to work with. I saw 2 valid trades today. I'm not gonna say whether I took anything or how much I made because that's besides the point. I'm just trying to help you guys just like read the markets, and that's going to be it for this video. So thank you for watching, and I'll definitely see you in another one.